Hello everyone, in this session we are going to learn how to create datum features. We will see how to create datum plane, datum axis, datum coordinate system, datum point. Okay, for this we will go to the NX CAD software. Here you can see the command datum, datum plane, datum axis, datum coordinate system, datum point. First we will see how to take a datum plane. Click on datum plane. Here you can see the different options for taking a different plane. First is input, next is at distance. You can give the distance at which you want the reference plane. Then at angle, bisector, curve and point, two lines, tangent, through object. This is how we will see one by one. Select object and give the distance of offset where you want the plane. Here you can see the datum plane is created. Okay, datum coordinate system. This is how you can create the datum coordinate system. Datum points. For this you have to give the coordinates in x direction, in y direction, and in z direction. After clicking OK, point will locate here according to our coordinates at x, y and z. This is how you can create a reference point. Okay, likewise you can take reference planes, reference points. Okay, thank you.